Bonjour tout le monde and welcome into my new studio. Now today we are going to learn how to translate and how to sing Jingle Bells in French with my special guest here, Maria, and Sati. See you in a minute. Alors, bienvenue à notre 12 Days of FRENCHMAS, where every day from now we are going to do something really Christmassy and really French. Are you okay, girls?
Oui.
Oui.
Ok, comment vous vous appelez? Comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Sati.
Sati, bonjour Sati.
Je m'appelle Yaya.
Yaya. Oh, c'est un drôle de nom, Yaya.
Oh, my name is Maria.
Ok, bonjour Maria, Yaya.
Bonjour.
Alors, okay. So, girls, I'd like to teach you a song in French today. Are you happy with that?
Oui.
We are going to learn how to sing Jingle Bells in French. And funnily enough, Jingle Bells in French is not called Jingle Bells. It's called Vive le Vent, which doesn't mean Jingle Bells. Do you know what Vive le Vent means?
Long live the wind.
Long live the winds. When you start a sentence with Vive le vent or Vive le roi, long live the king, for example, it means long live, absolutely. So, hooray to the wind, okay? So, guys, you're going to see the lyrics in the bottom of this screen or on the side, I don't know wherever. And let's read it together, and then we are going to translate it together. And if you're okay, because I know that you've got most amazing, wonderful voice, we are going to sing it together. Are you okay with that?
Oui.
Oui. Okay. Okay. So here we go. Let's have a look at the text. And why don't you, Sati and Maria, read as well with me? So here we go. Vive le vent, vive le vent, vive le vent d'hiver qui s'en va, sifflant, soufflant dans les grands sapins verts. Oh, vive le vent, vive le temps. Ah oui, le temps. Vive le temps d'hiver, boule de neige et jour de l'an et bonne année, grand-mère. So, I stop you here. Let's translate the first sentence. Vive le vent, vive le vent. We know what that means. What does that mean?
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
But it doesn't really mean jingle bells.
No, it means the wind.
Something with the
Something
wind.
with
So,
the wind.
what is the word for wind? Which one is the word for wind? Is it vive
Le
or
vent.
le vent?
Le
Le
vent.
vent. Le vent. Well done, you, Maria. So, le vent. So, first sentence, long live the wind, long live the wind. Vive le vent d'hiver. What do you think the second stance is? The second sentence?
Long live the wind of winter.
Of winter, absolutely. So, the word for winter is?
Hiver.
Hiver. So what about the third one? Qui s'en va, sifflant, soufflant. So that's a tough one to say, actually. Sifflant, soufflant. Sifflant, soufflant. Siffler in French means to whistle. So sifflant while whistling. Okay? So here comes the wind, the beautiful winter wind that is whistling, going while whistling, and soufflant. What do you think that means? It sounds like sifflant.
Blow?
To blow, blowing. So it's whistling and it's blowing. And where is it doing that? Dans les grands sapins verts.
Big green trees.
Maria, what do you think that means?
The green trees.
Well, that's because you copied Sati. Dans les grands sapins verts. Well done, Maria. Well done, Sati. Bravo. Okay, in the big green trees. And then we start again. Oh, vive le temps, vive le temps. So we are no longer in vent. So what is the temps?
Time. But does it mean
time.
seasons?
It means seasons or it means weather as well in French. So long live the weather, long live the weather. Or the time, I'm happy with that. Vive le temps d'hiver, long live the time of winter or the weather winter. Okay? And the next one, boule de neige et jour de l'an et bonne année, grand-mère. Boule de neige et jour de l'an et bonne année, grand-mère. So what do you think boule de neige is?
Snowball?
It is a snowball. You're too good. Get out of the program. C'est une boule. And a boule is a ball. And a neige is snow. La boule de neige. Can you say that, Maria?
La boule de neige.
Perfect. That's a really good accent. Well done, you. Bravo. So, boule de neige et jour de l'an. Jour de l'an is the day of... She doesn't know. Yeah. Jour de l'an, the day of the new year. Okay, so New Year's Day. Bonne année, grand-mère. So when you say bonne année to someone, what does that mean?
Happy year.
Happy year or happy
New year.
Okay, we don't technically say new, bonne année or bonne nouvelle année. We say bonne année. And grand-mère is
Grand-mère.
Grandma. Grand-mère. Or also in Greek we say yaya.
Yeah.
That's why you're called yaya. I get that now. Okay. Now the next tense, okay, it goes like this. So let's read it together. Sur le long chemin, tout blanc de neige blanche, un vieux monsieur s'avance avec sa canne dans la main. Et tout là-haut le vent qui siffle dans les branches lui souffle la romance qu'il chantait petit enfant. Ok, très bien. Now, sur le long chemin, qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? What does that mean? Sur le long chemin.
On the long road.
On the long road. And chemin is a path as well. Le chemin. Can you say that, Maria?
La chemin.
Chemin, très bien. On the long road, tout blanc de neige blanche. So, tout blanc.
It's all white because of the white snow.
Yes, but what is tout blanc? Who is all white here? Read the third one. Un vieux monsieur s'avance.
The man something or other.
Yes, the man something or rather is avancer. That means moving forward. So, an old man, un vieux monsieur, is moving forward, all white of snow white. Okay, tout blanc de neige. And what does he have? Avec sa canne dans la main.
What, a walking stick?
He has a walking stick. He's holding in his hand, dans sa main, a stick, une canne. Okay? So, sur ce long chemin, you're imagining this old man walking with a walking stick. Et tout là-haut le vent. Now, là-haut means up there, and en bas means down there. Okay? So, all up there, or everywhere up there, le vent, the wind, what is the wind doing? Qui siffle dans les branches.
It like
We've
whistles.
learned siffler. What was soufflant, siffler? What was the word for
Up and down.
Not quite. Siffler
So
was...
soufflant is blow.
Soufflant is to blow, but sifflant was to
Whisper.
whistle.
Whistle.
Okay. So it's whistling in the branch, in the tree branches, yeah? Lui souffle la romance, but it's also blowing a romance to him, but blowing a memory, okay? So it's a metaphor, okay? So it's blowing to him a memory qu'il chantait petit enfant, and a memory or romance or a song that he used to sing when he was little, absolutely, okay? And then we've got the same. Vive le vent, vive le vent, vive le vent d'hiver. Okay, I'd like to give it a go.
Oui.
Are we ready?
Oui.
Have you got your best vocal chords here ready?
Sure.
Yes?
Oui.
We're good to go?
Oui.
Okay, first of all, let's get into the music, and we are going to start, when I say that, by Sur le long chemin, tout blanc de neige blanche, un vieux monsieur s'avance avec sa canne dans la main. Et tout là-haut le vent qui souffle dans les branches lui souffle la romance qu'il chantait petit enfant. Okay, so, are we ready? On est prêt? Super. Non, pas maintenant. On attend. Allez, here we go. Little dance. Non. Attendez. Ok. Attention. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Sur le long chemin, tout blanc de neige blanche, un vieux monsieur s'avance avec sa canne dans la main. siffle dans les branches, lui souffle la romance qu'il chantait plus petite d'enfant. Hey! Vive le vent, vive le vent, vive le vent d'hiver, qui s'en va sifflant, soufflant dans les grands sapins verts. Vive le vent, vive le temps d'hiver, boule de neige et jour de l'an et bonne année grand-mère. Wow. Wow, bravo. Wonderful. I think we've done well. Have we done well, Adam?
Fantastic.
Okay, to finish, and I hope that you will be practicing your French Vive le vent where you are. And what we are going to do, yes, question?
No.
Ah, okay. Okay, so let's finish by opening my papillote de Noël. Let's have a look. Are we doing like that? No? Okay.
Yeah,
no, like that. Okay, that's okay.
confused me.
Okay.
Allez.
2, 3. Okay, très bien. Qu'est-ce que tu as? What did we get? Oh, un petit avion. We've got a little plane. Oh, what?
I'm not too sure what that is.
That's a, clip.
Ah,
The
mais
paper.
c'est pour tes papiers alors.
Yeah,
There you go.
Merci.
Paper clip.
Thank
Bravo.
you.
Okay, so we are going to say au revoir, à bientôt et à demain. See you tomorrow for something more, something different and something Christmassy. Au revoir, à bientôt, à bientôt.
À bientôt.
Au
Bisous,
revoir,
bisous.
bisous. Salut.
Salut.